Your child's breathing, day or night, should never be audible. Snoring in children isn't deep sleep. It's the audible sign that the airway is partially obstructed. In adult medicine, occasional snoring can be benign. In pediatric medicine, persistent snoring has been associated with sleep-disordered breathing, fragmented sleep, daytime behavioral changes, and even academic impact. If your child snores most nights, it's worth a functional screening. Don't accept they'll grow out of it. Our airway red flag checklist is linked in our bio.